There are two types of companies right now: the companies that are already using AI and the companies that are not. And here is how MCPs will transform both. If you're already using AI in your workflows, MCPs will make you at least 3 times more efficient. Here are some conversations that we have been having with our clients here at Ionio. We help companies adopt AI, so this is the bulk of the work we do. First, we try to look at standardized processes where companies are already using AI. Think replying to emails, generating copy, writing content, analyzing data. We specifically look at SOPs where the user is instructed to go somewhere, copy some information, or summarize information from multiple prompts already using AI and then drag and drop it into a main conversation. And if you're like any of our clients, this will sound really familiar. Now we take those manual processes and we build either a custom MCP server or we connect the right tools to Zapier's MCP. So now, instead of having to manually copy paste context every single time, the MCP server pulls in the information that it needs directly from the apps connected to it. MCPs are super useful for workflows where you usually need a lot of context and a lot of back and forth. Now, you don't need to do that. Here's an example that I'm personally really excited about. Imagine an MCP server which connects with your Notion, Slack, emails, and Otter, or any meeting transcription tool. You would be able to draft replies and stay on top of all client communication across multiple channels from a single Claude UI. This means every time you need an answer on what happened in the last meeting, you would not need to go from Otter or Phantom or your meeting transcription tool, copy paste the transcript, put it into Claude, and if it is across multiple calls, just deal with all of that mess. You would simply be able to stay inside Claude, ask a simple question, get a reply, and move on from there. The key unlock that I have noticed when working with MCPs is that they bridge the gap between needing autonomous agents which take care of everything versus standalone tools where you manually need to pass all of the context. MCPs let you build copilot workflows, which are like a midway between both of them. And for companies who are not even using AI right now, just watching videos like these, this is exactly where Ionio can help. This is exactly what we have been doing for the last 4 years. We do quick win assessments where we identify the highest impact AI opportunities in your business first. Don't let another quarter go by while your competitors pull ahead. Drop me a message now. That's it. Thanks. Bye.